Rightio, welcome back. As you can see, I've done an absolute marvellous job of cutting, slicing and dicing with my saws to get it in there, to make it all snug as a bug in a rug, which is always a bonus, and screwed it in so it's nice and tight. So that just basically leaves a few more things to do, and one of those things is actually to put in, wire up the new dash, and yeah, then we can go racing. Well, a few other bits and pieces, but anyway. So again, I'd like to thank Haltech for coming on board. Without you guys, none of this would be possible. And also, yeah, if anybody else is keen, go to haltech.com, have a look at all their stuff that they offer. And yeah, especially if you're doing up a car and you need engine management, even a dash. I mean, hey, at this point in time, my car does not run a computer, does not run injection, so the only reason why I'm running Haltech is because of the awesome dashes that they've got. And if I do decide to run injection, then Haltech will definitely be the way that I go. So again, stay tuned, and yeah, watch this space.